Hello my good friends, welcome back to Pinty's class, and I'm back with another sound. Someone is saying, hey, there are so many sounds. Yes, but we're going to look at all of them. So let's look at sound O. Sound O. Sound O comes from letter O. Yes, sound O comes from letter O. So let's look at the blends. We have bo, we have ko, we have do, fo, go, ho, jo, ko, lo, mo, no, po, ro, so, to, vo, wo, yo, and zo. Yes. Now let's look at words. Let's form some words using those sounds. First one is box. 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 A box. Then the next one is fox. Fox. A fox. Then the next one is socks. 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 Socks, the one which we put on before we wear our shoes. Then dog. 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 Then the next one frog. 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 A frog. And the last one is pot. Pot. A pot. Yes. So let's look at some sentences. My socks are in the box. My socks are in the box. And then the next one, a fox is in the dog family. Did you know that? Yes, a fox is in the dog family. And then the last one, the frog is in the pot. Hey, someone help. The frog is in the pot. When you say a frog in the pot. Okay, and that's it for sound O. We hope to see you in the next video. And we're saying bye bye. Bye 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 bye.